Right? Turkey, huh?
What are the prophecies of the promised Messiah concerning progress of the Ahmadiyya in the world, West? Which continents and countries are mentioned as most prospective and which are the least?
In principle, this question has been answered in so many places, but not particularly those countries I mentioned which will receive the benefit of Ahmadiyyat at large. As such, those countries are not named, but the principle of the spread of message is very clearly mentioned. According to Hazrat Muslim, in perfect accord with Quranic statements, those people who are proud, who are arrogant, they are not fit to benefit from the message of a new reformer or any reformer, whether he is new or old. Any people who are in the frame of an arrogant mind, they never benefit until their arrogance is shattered to pieces, until they are raised to ground, and then they are in the fit frame of mind to follow any reform. This is mentioned in Surah Taha clearly, and Hazrat Muslim in his writings has always attempted to make this clear to the world, that if you are arrogant, you will not benefit from my message. If you are humble, then you will be able to benefit from my message. This we see in the present context fulfilled in the form of some humble countries of the world who are not advanced to follow Ahmadiyyat in far greater number than the advanced countries. The advanced countries look down upon things, even Islam, from their arrogant ivory towers, look down, this is Islam. They never permit themselves to lower to the order of the ordinary plane of things, where they could see and judge things with absolute justice and with absolute nor-partisan spirit. Whenever you are prejudiced before and try to judge things after, then no right conclusion can be drawn. That is the problem of these people. They are very wise in worldly affairs, but when it comes to religion and a comparative study of their religion with Islam, they absolutely shut their eyes. Try to seek refuge in their doctrine of Trinity without ever putting it to test, without ever putting it to the test of reason and rationality. So that is why they are apparently blind in one eye, in the religious eye. Very pronounced in their clarity of vision as far as the worldly eye is concerned. This exactly is the message of Rasulullah when he describes Ad-Dajjal as being blind in the left eye, in the right eye. The right eye indicates religion and the left eye indicates materialism. So in materialism, they can see things under the surfaces of earth, so bright in the vision. In matters of religion, they can't see under their noses. That's why they're described as blind in their right eye. So Masih has discussed all these things at length. in so many places in his writings and also in. But people who do not want to understand will not benefit.